Hello, everyone. Welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. I am happy you are here to learn English with me. Today, our topic is social media. Social media is a big part of life for many people. We will talk about what social media is, the different types, and the good and bad things about it. You can use this video to practice your listening. I will speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, what is social media? Social media is websites and applications or apps on your phone or computer. We use these apps to connect with other people. We connect with our friends, our family, and people all over the world. Connection is very important. On social media, we can share things. We can share photos of our life. For example, a photo of your food, your pet, or your vacation. We can also share videos. Maybe a funny video or a video of you singing a song. We also share our thoughts and ideas. We write what we think. This is called a post. When you put a photo or text on social media, you make a post. Other people can see your post. If they like your post, they can give it a like. A like is often a heart symbol or a thumbs up symbol. It means, I like this. People can also write a comment. A comment is a message they write about your post. They can say, nice photo, or this is very interesting. So, social media is for sharing, liking, and commenting. It is a way to be social online. There are many different social media apps. They are all a little different. Let's talk about some popular ones. First, there is Instagram. On Instagram, people mostly share photos and short videos. It is very visual. You see beautiful pictures of places, food, and fashion. Then there is Facebook. Facebook is one of the oldest and biggest social media platforms. On Facebook, you can connect with friends and family. You can write long posts, share photos, and join groups with people who like the same things as you. We also have TikTok. TikTok is very popular now. It is for very, very short videos. The videos often have music and dancing. Many people use TikTok to be creative and make funny content. Another one is X, which was called Twitter before. On X, people write very short messages. It is good for news and quick updates. People share information very fast on X. And of course, there is YouTube. YouTube is for watching videos. You are on YouTube right now. You can learn things on YouTube watch music videos, or see vlogs about people's lives. It is a social media for longer videos. All of these platforms are different, but they all help people connect and share. Social media can be very good. There are many good things about it. One good thing is staying connected with family and friends. Maybe your family lives in a different city or a different country. With social media, you can see their photos and talk to them. It helps you feel close even when you are far away. Another good thing is learning. You can learn so much on social media. I learn how to cook new food from watching videos. You are learning English right now on YouTube. That is a very good use of social media. You can also find people who have the same interests. Do you like playing guitar? You can find a group of people who also play guitar. Do you like gardening? You can find people who share photos of their plants. It's a great way to make new friends. So, social media helps us connect and learn and find our community. These are wonderful things. But social media is not always perfect. There can be some bad things or cons. One bad thing is that we can spend too much time on it. Sometimes I open my phone to look at one video, but then I watch another video and another. Soon 1 hour is gone. It is important to control our time. Another bad thing is comparison. On social media, we see other people's lives. We see their amazing vacations, their new cars, and their perfect families. Sometimes we look at our own life and feel sad or not good enough. This is called comparison, and it can be very unhealthy. It is important to remember people usually only post the happy moments. They do not post the boring or sad parts of their day. What you see on social media is not always the full story. So, it is good to be careful. We should enjoy social media, but not let it make us feel bad about ourselves. I will tell you a little about my social media use. I use a few apps. I use YouTube to create these videos for you and to learn new things. I also use Instagram. On Instagram, I follow my friends and family. I like to see what they are doing. I also follow pages about nature and animals. I love seeing photos of beautiful mountains and funny cats. I do not post every day. Maybe I post 1 or 2 photos a week. I share photos of my walks, a book I am reading, or a meal I enjoyed. I try to have a good balance. I use social media, but I also make sure I spend time in the real world. I talk to my friends in person, I go for walks outside, and I read books. Balance is very important. So, today we talked about social media. We learned that it helps us connect and share. We learned about different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And we learned that there are good and bad things about it. The most important thing is to use it in a healthy way. Now, I have a question for you. What social media do you use, and why do you like it? Please write your answer in the comments below this video. You can write in simple English. For example, I use Instagram. I like to see photos of dogs. I would love to read your comments. Thank you for practicing your English listening with me today. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more lessons. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.